Hi everybody, welcome to Puskinto. Today we are going to learn the secret of getting rich in life. Have you ever wondered about your future? Today we are going to think about the future of yours. Think about some random day and random time after 10 years from now. It could be anything like doing some work or spending time with your unknown future wife or friends. Don't force yourself by imagining things you wish in 10 years. Just imagine where you are and what your future house look like, or your future car would be, and what your overall life would look like. I'm not gonna tell you that whatever you imagine is going to be true in future. I want to make you realize the power of your mind. There are basically two sides of mind embedded in our single mind. They are your conscious mind and unconscious mind. If you learn anything in life like studying about mathematics, science, learning any new knowledge, it all gets stored in your conscious mind. If anybody tells you to imagine the last time you went for movie or restaurant, then you can do that easily, right? It's because it is already stored in your memory of your conscious mind. But when I tell you to imagine about the event in future, then there is nothing in your conscious mind to deliver you. And hence, your subconscious mind get activated. The subconscious mind is like the pre-embedded brain memory, which is very powerful than any supercomputers available today. So when you imagine something which you can't know in life, your subconscious minds make a vision by rendering information and knowledge available in your conscious mind. It calculates the overall probability and projects a vision on your conscious mind. That's why if you try to imagine about the face of your future wife, either that face will look like some person you have already seen, or it is just a person without any face. It's because the face is never recorded in your conscious mind. At first, when I told you to imagine about yourself after 10 years, it forces your subconscious mind to create a vision by calculating all the knowledge and skills you have to have a successful life in future. If you can't imagine yourself living a life of billionaire, having grand mansion or have your own private jet, it's because your subconscious mind believe you don't have that kind of knowledge and skill to acquire those things. Some people have that knowledge already implanted in their subconscious mind. So from small age they know that they will become rich and have all luxuries in future in spite of their childhood condition. For example, let's talk about the sketch artist. There is lots of school for sketch art, but some people are excellent at sketch since childhood without any schooling knowledge. Similar to that, being rich and successful is also already confirmed for some people. They just do right thing at right time subconsciously and become rich and successful in life. Everyone have their own subconscious talent in different fields. You just need to learn them. If you haven't imagined yourself being rich and successful enough in a decade, then that means you need to work on your skills and knowledge. When you acquire that knowledge and skills that could make you rich and successful, at that time you will not just imagine being successful. You will have that confidence on whatever you imagine will come true in future. If you believe what you imagine, it actually become reality. So if you can believe something which you imagine, you are actually creating reality without using your conscious mind. It is also an art itself to be mastered, and through which you can achieve whatever you want in life. Keep your dream alive. Understand to achieve anything requires vision, hard work, determination and dedication. Remember, all things are possible for those who believe in themselves. If you work hard for something to achieve, it does not mean you will achieve that thing. But if you believe your hard work will get a desired result, then it surely do. So if you wish to be rich and successful in life, first imagine your future and then work for that dream with the belief that you will achieve that goal one day.